Good morning. Happy Saturday. So today's goal is to get the new light installed and working, hopefully. Got a few hours here today, so see how it goes. So last time we reinstalled the electric so we got the camper plugged in. So today we're gonna take out the temporary plug and put a light on here and see if we can get it working. So let's see what's next. Circuit breaker's off, so take this box back apart so we can run conduit from here up and get electric wire in there, all that, and tie it into the outlet. So I guess we'll time lapse unscrewing stuff and whatnot. I don't know if I mentioned already, but the circuit breaker is off for safety. You should always do that when you're working with electric. So the box here, the screw holes are, I don't know if you can see that. Let's move the camera. The screw holes, still can't really see. Kind of stick past the 4x4. So we're going to do like we did here and put a piece of wood, then have a much bigger area to mount that onto. So we're going to turn the breaker back on so we can screw this all in and turn it back off so we don't get electrocuted. I got this conduit that used to be here. The thing broke and whatever, but for this little stretch, it's fine. So we're going to reuse this. So basically, we're going to put that in there, measure it out, cut it in. But I put this on before I should have. I'm going to take that back off so then we can measure everything properly and put it together properly. So time lapse. Okay, that's done. So next step is some wire between these two and tie. I'll put a light switch out here. So tie in the light switch to the power source, tie in the light, all that good stuff. So time lapse for now. This light fixture has these pre-installed things. So the white and black wire, you just plug them into this. It's like a built-in wire nut. So you just match the white to the white, black to the black. Already did the ground to the fixture screw to there. It's all tied together. This bottom end's not tied together yet. That's the next step. So we'll just connect these connectors, get the light installed, and then we'll work on the light switch. switch itself was bad. The voltage still is hot down there, 23 volts. So we just determined the switch is bad. I had bought this one for the other side of the conduit. It's 15/20 amp. This is a 20 amp circuit breaker that it's on, so I guess it'll work here. And then I'll just have to buy another one for that end. So the circuit breaker's off again. Pull the switch out, put that one in its place, and hope it works this time. Yay, it's working now. We got lights. We got a light switch. So I gotta put the cover back on here. I got a caulker on this light because it's a cheap light. Doesn't have, even though it's outside, doesn't have a gasket. It says you need to caulk it, which is a little annoying. Maybe I should have spent more than a few bucks on a light. So I guess we'll clean this up and call it a night. Until next time. So that was fun. So we had a bad switch. We had to replace. Getting all the wires together was fun. This new box is a little different. That was interesting getting that in. So that switch. Camper's plugged in. I guess that's it for today. So until next time, enjoy.